Guys, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and hit my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of last 2 hours of Cardano cryptocurrencies in the market. I'm very sorry to say that the Cardano cryptocurrencies is falling down, but don't worry, at now they are currently start jumping upward, as you can see on the graph. As you can see here, the change is in the last 2 hours is negative 0.88%. In the high price in the last hour of Cardano is $1.2 is the high price of Cardano in the previous 2 hours. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's going in the last 1 hour? Before see the last 1 hour results, we check it out the graph of the Cardano cryptocurrencies. As we see the falling down of Cardano and the graph of previous 2 hours, they are falling down continuously, but currently they are jumping upward. So it's the best time to buy a Cardano coin and make a good profit. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 1 hour. What's going in the previous 1 hour of Cardano cryptocurrencies in the market of cryptocurrencies? It's loading, so kindly click the subscribe button right now. Friends, click the subscribe button right now and hit my 2K subscriber. As you can see here, the last hour result of Cardano, the change is positive. Good news for all Cardano holders, the change is positive, 0.25% per change in positive. And the high price of Cardano is $1.19 is the high price of Cardano. As you can see the chart in the analysis of Cardano cryptocurrency, so it's falling down, but now currently uh, they are jumping upward like a rocket, very fastly jumping upward. So it's the best time to buy a Cardano and make a good profit and make a good amount of money. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.